PDA Parts presents the T-Mobile Dash and HTC S620 take-apart directions. Warning: the following directions will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. This video is copyright AX Microsolutions Inc. Once you turn the unit over and remove the battery, there are two small rubber grommets that you'll need to remove in order to access the screws. Using a Torx driver, you're going to remove the 6 screws. Using a case opener tool, run it along the edges of the case. This will allow the plastic clips that hold the case together to loosen and allow you to remove the case. Be careful, there are quite a few tabs that hold the plastics together. You'll need to make sure they're all loose. Using a Torx driver, remove the screw at the top left corner of the unit motherboard. There are 2 cables you'll need to disconnect. The bottom one lifts up. The second one has a little hinge you'll need to lift up in order to release the ribbon. To release the third cable, lift up the hinge and remove the ribbon cable. There's a few tabs holding the motherboard still to the frame. Once you loosen those tabs, the motherboard can now be removed. Please note how the metal flange reattaches back to the motherboard. There are a few clips and tabs that hold the frame together. Please release those, which will allow the frame to be removed. There are a couple of ribbons that are intertwined through the frame. Make sure to bring them through the frame before releasing the entire frame from the front of the plastic. With the frame removed, you will now be able to remove the screen from the front plastic. Please be sure to visit us on the web at pdaparts.com.